Salva Kiir Mayardit, born on September 13, 1951, in Akon village, Bahr el Ghazal, present-day South Sudan, is the founding president of the Republic of South Sudan. He has held this position since the country's independence on July 9, 2011. Prior to that, he served as the president of the autonomous government of Southern Sudan and as the first vice president of Sudan from 2005 to 2011. Early life and military involvement. Kiir hails from the Dinka ethnic group, the second largest in South Sudan. He was born into a pastoral family. His father, Kwethpeni Thike Adam, was a cattle herder, and his mother, Awai Rowul Tong, was a farmer. He was the eighth of 9 children. In the 1960s, during the First Sudanese Civil War, Kiir joined the Nyanya, a southern separatist movement. Following the 1972 Addis Ababa Agreement, which ended the war, he was integrated into the Sudanese National Army, eventually attaining the rank of lieutenant colonel. Role in the liberation movement. In 1983, when the Second Sudanese Civil War erupted, Kiir co-founded the Sudan People's Liberation Movement, SPLM, and its armed wing, the Sudan People's Liberation Army, SPLA, alongside John Garang. Political leadership. After the signing of the Comprehensive Peace Agreement, CPA, in 2005, which ended the Second Sudanese Civil War, Kiir was appointed as the first Vice President of Sudan and the President of the Government of Southern Sudan. Following the untimely death of John Garang in a helicopter crash in July 2005, Kiir succeeded him in both positions. In the 2010 elections, Kiir was elected president of Southern Sudan with nearly 93% of the vote. He continued to serve as the first vice president of Sudan until South Sudan's independence in 2011, when he became the country's first president. Challenges and controversies. Kiir's presidency has faced significant challenges, including internal conflicts and governance issues. In December 2013, he dismissed his vice president, Riek Machar, leading to a civil war that exacerbated ethnic tensions, particularly between the Dinka and Nuer communities. Despite multiple peace agreements, including the 2018 Revitalized Agreement, the country has struggled to achieve lasting peace and stability. Kiir's administration has also been criticized for alleged corruption and lack of transparency. A 2024 investigation by The Sentry, a U.S.-based watchdog, reported that Kiir's family members control numerous companies in South Sudan. Although Kiir himself was not directly named. Personal life. Salva Kiir is known for his distinctive black cowboy hat, a gift from former U.S. President George W. Bush in 2006. He is married to Mary Ian Mayardit and has children. Kiir is a practicing Christian and continues to play a central role in South Sudan's political landscape. As of May 2025, Kiir's whereabouts is not yet disclosed to the public.